and resounding mandate signals a new era of leadership and transformation for the province. Your presence among our ranks serves as a powerful reminder that public service is a shared journey, one that requires genuine commitment, unwavering dedication, and heartfelt collaboration. I am directing the Provincial Director of Cebu Police Provincial Office to give their full support to the Honorable Governor and exhaust all available resources in aligning our initiatives with her administration's advocacies.
Kuyugi ko ninyo sa atong pagpalambo sa atong probinsya. I will do my part and please do also your part and know that I will take care of you because after all, that's what a leader should do. Take care of those in charge.